Hey, I'm DJ Too Much with Six Figure DJs. We about to get into some DJ tutorials. Sit back, relax, and check them out. Today, we're gonna talk about how to use your controller. Now, I have a Pioneer Ddj-Sx 2, and we're gonna go through how to connect your Pioneer Ddj-Sx 2 to your laptop using the DJ software Serato. So the first thing we're gonna do is connect your USB to your Pioneer Ddj-Sx 2, and you're gonna insert the USB into your laptop. When you insert, you're gonna have your Serato DJ Pro already open on your laptop, and once you insert, you're gonna see that two decks pop up on your laptop. You're gonna have deck 1 and deck 2. Now each deck, you can load music onto either side. So if you wanna load a song onto deck 1, you're gonna hit Command and then hit the left deck or the left arrow. That's gonna bring the music to the left deck. Now if you wanna bring the music to the right side, you're gonna hit Command and then at the same time hit the right arrow, which is gonna bring the music to the right side or the right deck. So that's gonna control deck 1 and deck 2. Because you're a beginner, we're gonna start from very simple. Everything we're gonna keep at 0. So if I turn everything down to 0, if I press play on either side, nothing works. Now, I really wanna keep everything right in the middle in order to have it equal. I want it to be equal. So I'll bring the master up a little bit. Deck 1, if I hit play, that's deck 1. Now if I bring the crossfader to the other side, this is deck 2. Now if I have both songs playing at the same time, this is how DJs are able to mix between one song to the next, using the crossfader and having deck 1 and deck 2 with separate music on each. So the key is to try to get this music to actually sound good together. And that's all a DJ is really doing, is taking deck 1 and mixing or blending it into deck 2 without any break, and to make sure that the crowd is continuing to dance and have a good time without even noticing that the song is even changing. If you look on the computer, it says 92.8 on deck 1, and deck 2 says 93.6. So what we need to do is, we need to match the BPMs or the tempos. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, sixfiguredjs.com. I'm DJ Too Much, and I'm here to answer any of your questions. So feel free to reach out to me, and you can follow us at Six Figure DJs on Instagram.